Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Stitch and Carry Creations. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this beautiful cute lunch bag you are seeing on the screen. So this is the leather I'm going to be using in making the lunch bag. So I've already cut out the leather, so I'm going to tell you the measurement and how I cut out the leather. So this is the front of the lunch bag. So the measurement I cut out 10 by 10 inches for the front of the lunch bag, 10 by 10 inches. So this is the back side of the lunch bag, the back side. So the measurements I cut out 10.5 by 10 inches for the measurements of the back side. So this is the pocket. The measurement I cut out is 6.5 by 10 inches for the pocket. So I've cut out the side of the bag, the top base, the two sides of the bag, the top base and the down base. So the measurement I cut out 6.5 by 10 inches for the two sides of the bag, and for the top base and the down base I cut out also the same measurement, 6.5 by 10 inches. So I cut out 4 pieces, which is the two sides of the bag, the base, the top base and the down base. So first I'm starting with the pocket. So I'm going to cut out 7 inches of a fashion black belt to give the lunch bag a good looking. So this is the lining, I've already cut it out, and this is the belt I'm going to be using it to tape the mouth of the pocket. So I'm going to place the belt at the middle of the pocket. Then after that, I'm going to centralize it and sew it round. So this is after sewing it. You can see how beautiful and how neat it was. So now I'm going to cut out the essence belts. Then after that, I'm going to place the pocket on a lining and sew it round together. So this is after sewing it finished. I'm going to trim out the essence lining. After that, I'm going to take out the taping and use it to tape it. So now I'm going to take out the front part. So I'm going to take the front and the pocket and notch it at the middle. After that, I'm going to place it together according to the notch point and sew it. So this is after joining both together. You can see how it look like. So now I'm going to work on the side of the lunch bag and I will take out the two sides. So this is the imported belt I'm going to be using. I have 10.5 inches here and I also have 50 inches here. And then I'm going to first work on the 10.5 inches first. Then I'm going to get the adjuster, so I'll put it this way. Then I'm going to centralize it and then I will sew it. So this is after sewing it together. I'm going to trim out the essence belts. Then I'm going to do the same to the second side by placing the 15 inches on it and centralize it. Then I'm going to sew it. So this is the front and the two sides of the bag. Then I'm going to take one out of the side of the bag and place it on the front like this. Then I'm going to sew it. Then I'm going to take the second side and sew it according to the first side. So this is after joining the first side and the second side together with the front. Then after that, I will turn it over and top stitch the first and the second side. So this is how it look like after top stitching the both side. So I've already sewed the back, the top base and the down base together with the lining, and also the side, the front that has the base. I've already cut out lining and foam for it too, and I've sewed it. Then I trim out the excess lining and the foam. So this is how it look like after sewing it. So now I'm going to work on the top, and before that I'm going to cut out 12 by 3 inches for the handle. Then I'm going to fold it like this. Then I'm going to sew it. Then after that, I'm going to use taping to tape it by taping the first side and the second side. So this is after taping the both sides. You can see how it look like. So I'm going to take the top base, then I'm going to fold it together and notch it. So I'm going to take the handle and place it on the notch point by centralizing it and sew it, the first side and the second side. So I've already cut out the foam and lining for the top base, so I'm going to sew the three together. So this is after sewing it together, so I'm going to trim out the excess foam and the lining. So now I will take the front and tape it with taping or belt. So now I'm done taping it. Then I get my zip cloth and place it under it and sew it. Okay, now I'm done sewing my zip cloth. Then I'm going to fix my zip mouth with it. I'll be using two. Now I'm going to sew the back of the bag, and I will put it right side facing each other and sew it both sides. So I forgot to tell you that please don't forget to stitch it again to divide the foam. You can choose to leave it like that, but me, I'd like to stitch it over again so that I'll be able to divide the foam. So if you like, you can leave it that way. So I'm going to sew the back and the side together, both sides. So this is how it look like after I join the back side of the bag together with the front and the two sides. So now I'm going to notch it. I hope you can see how I'm notching it. See now, I've notched it here. Then I will come to the second side and notch it. So now you will bring the two notch points together and notch this side. And also notch the second side also. So you are going to do the same to the down part also. So this is the top base also. I've already notched each side. So I'm going to be joining the body part and the two base together, the top base and the down base together. So I'm going to be joining it together according to each notch point. Then I'm going to sew it. Then after sewing it, I'm going to tape it at once. So now I'm done sewing it together. You can see I've already joined the top base and the down base together with the body part, and I've already taped it at once. Please don't forget to tape this side and the second side also before joining the two base together with the body. So this is how it looked like after turning it over. You can see how beautiful it was. So now I've already had my adjuster to the belt. So this is my adjuster. Now I'm going to close the belt up. Okay, now I'm done sewing it. So this is how it look like after sewing it. So now we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you really learned something from this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share for more people to benefit. Stay tuned for my next video.